Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Okay, so these 4 cases here caught my attention by just being different. From very sleek, to self-centering with magnets, to very colorful, to being the most bulky case I've ever seen. Starting out with this Nudient case. This one is very thin, even thinner than the thin fit already featured on this channel. But this comes at a price. No screen protection or lip on this one. So it only looks good for the back, but it won't be pretty when it falls on its face. I really appreciate the level of detail here though. You can still see the gold edge on my iPhone while in the case because it is being centered with magnets. Second case we have here is the RJUST metal airbag. And indeed it works like an airbag. It has a very unique shape design and it looks like something out of Halo Infinite. It has a few color options and also a hook on the back for a cord. I think it looks very cool with the gold trimming and I won't be worrying about it breaking. This case here is the Eiger Avalanche case. With a plastic front edit and a camera bump on the back disappearing, it looks very cool. This is what the iPhone 13 Pro would have looked like without the camera bump. This case is rated IP68 and it looks like it could even protect your phone if it falls off the Eiger in Switzerland. But it makes the iPhone so bulky, I would have never used it for real. But you gotta give it to him that it looks great. It reminds me of the other box, but on steroids.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Last case for today is the Raptic Shield. With its fancy coloring on the back, it sure is an eye-catcher. A little sad that they don't make them with this color in combination with black details instead of grey. I think it would have looked even better. It feels a little like a UAG case, but this one was definitely not easy to get on the iPhone. It was very difficult actually, so apart from being different, I wouldn't be too excited for this one. Have you seen crazier cases for the iPhone 13 Pro? Let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll feature them in my next video. Thanks so much for the new subscribers. I hope we can still make it to 1K at the end of this month. Thanks so much and have a great day.